Hey everyone, check out the kitchen in the box 32QT air fryer combo toaster oven. An extra large, versatile kitchen powerhouse with 18 preset functions including air fry, bake, roast, and rotisserie. This countertop oven features a spacious interior that fits a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or a whole turkey, perfect for family meals and parties. It uses advanced 360-degree convection technology to cook your food evenly and lock in moisture, while reducing fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying. With 1,800 watts of power and 6 heating elements, it cooks quickly and efficiently, saving you time in the kitchen. The dual cook function lets you combine 2 cooking modes at once for rich and complex flavors. Plus, precise temperature controls adjust in 5-degree increments for perfect, crispy results every time. Whether you're baking, dehydrating, or making a rotisserie chicken, this all-in-one oven meets all your cooking needs with 6 included accessories. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.